Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. And here scroll down to find this ringtone section. As you can see, we've got the phone ringtone and it is divided between two different SIM cards. So it means that we can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and different for the second one. So just tap on the phone ringtone, I'll pick, for example, the first one. The operation is the same. So here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. We've got also this music section, and basically if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here, and you will be able to simply tap on it and set it as the ringtone. But let me choose something from the pre-installed ringtones, and if you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this one. And let's volume it down a little bit. So this is how it works. Just tap on the option and then listen to it. So I'm not the biggest fan of this one, so maybe this one? No. Okay, so let's pretend. Oh, it's too much. Okay, so let's pretend I would like to set this rainbow as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here and also right here, so in this ringtone section. And it means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.